How to create widget photos on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create widget photos and use it on your iPhone. So what I mean by widget photos is basically this. This is the photos widget. So you can make this and it keeps on changing pictures according to your choice. So let's get started with that. First step is open up your Photos app. First, make an album of all the photos that you want. So let's say these are the photos, these are just random pictures. Now create an album from it. Tap on this share icon on the bottom left, and there you will see add to album. You can tap on add to album, and now you can create a new album. So I'll just name it widget, and then tap on create. So with this, an album has been created. Now what we can do is we can just go to any place here. I'll just come over here, then long press on the screen and this should appear. Then tap on the top left corner and you'll see add widget option. Tap on it. Then here you can find photos option, this one right here. Tap on it. So after you select the album option, tap on choose. Now you can select the widget album that you just created, and then there you can see that that's how you can basically create the photo widget. Now you can change its size as well. So let me just change its size. And there we go. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.